So today MTD CNC are in Wellesbourne with the Engineering Technology Group. We have some breaking news. Always pleased to be the first to deliver news like this. Now, you'll know if you follow our channels that the Engineering Technology Group acquired HK last year, back in 2019. I'm with Steve Brown. Steve, we're standing in an empty space here, a vacant part of the showroom. What's the latest developments? What's happening here? Some breaking news coming soon.
So following the acquisition of HK in 2019, we've got even bigger plans for 2020. So again, posted with yourselves over the next few weeks and next few months. We'll drop out some hints as to what the new product is. Okay,
and that new product is probably going to be seated just here. Keep following MTD CNC to see exactly what that range of machines is that's going to be coming here to the Engineering Technology Group.